Let's unbox this. Tadadadad. So may libre pala siyang ganito. Yung cover. Ayan. So let's unbox this. The Maono wireless microphone. In fairness, mabili siya naman. Ayan. Let's open it. Ta-da-da-da. Wow! Of course, meron siyang manual. Ayan. Manual. Tapos, yung item itself. Wow! Ay, ito pa. Ano. Sa loob, ay pipindutin siya. Ayan. Nandiyan yung dalawang wireless mic, tsaka yung connector. Try natin mamaya. Tapos, meron din connector for the charger. Tapos yung, ayan, yung cord. Tapos, ewan ko. Basta magnet ata. Ayan, magnet. Masyadong madikit. Hindi ko lang po natatanggal ba ito. Try natin. Wait. Basahin na natin ito ng very light.
Charging case. Meron naman yung connect para sa... Anyway, patay natin siya. Okay.
So, kung saan ko siya nabili, lalagay ko dyan sa yellow basket or sa description below. Alright? So, let's try it. Hello. Ayan. Try natin. Ito yung may noise cancellation. Tapos, ito yung walang. Ito yung walang noise cancelling. Let's see kung ano yung mas maganda. Ito yung meron. Ayan, meron yan. Tapos, ito naman yung wala. Ito yung wala. Okay, tingnan natin yung difference. So, that's it. Now, if you want to buy this Maono wireless microphone, perfect for vlogging and for, movie reviews or whatsoever, any content that you might want to create, I'll put it dun sa yellow basket. So, see you next time.